So they're here today on the 19th doing the flooring, and we come across some problems. They had to shimmy down the little light fixture that was right there, and they had to grind it down, and they had to grind the floor because the floor was unlevel. And I got them to patch this because there was a big crack going across it. So I got them to patch this, and now we're waiting on it to dry so they can finish in the living room. But they've got the dining room is done, and it looks really good. Besides, it's just trash everywhere, but we'll get that all cleaned up and get my cabinet moved back in here. I can't wait to get it back to order. I tell you what, I'm OCD real bad, and I hate for my house to be a mess. And right now, it's a mess, and it's driving me crazy. I like everything to be just where it needs to be. And anyway, so I just wanted to show you what's going on. My house is a mess. I got my hutch here. It's a two cabinets that separated, and I got them there. And then I got the couch cushions over here. They slid the couch over there. They're going to do part of the floor, then they're going to move the couch over and do the rest of the floor. I'll just be glad when this is all done, but I know one thing, I'm going to have to do some dusting, because from them grinding the concrete, there is white dust all over. And I'm going to have to do a lot of dusting. But anyway, I've pretty much been in my room all day, and this is what my room looks like, because I've got stuff stored in here. So yeah, I feel closed in. It's driving me crazy. I'm just looking forward to getting everything back in order. So anyway, I just want to show you what's up, what's going on today. I tell you, I'll be glad when this is over with. When you got projects going on in your house like this, it can be stressful. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.